Hello children, hope finds you in the best of your health and safety. Today we are going to start with the poem Everyday Things. Now let's start. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Were you president, king or a millionaire? You would use a comb to comb your hair. So children, here the poet is saying that whosoever you are, whether you are a millionaire, a king or a president, you will use a common thing of everyday use to do your things. Because whether it's a king or a president or a poor man, he or she is going to use a comb to comb his hair. There is no other thing which we can use to comb our hair. So, everyday things are required by every person, no matter whether the person is rich or poor. Let's continue. If you wished to be clean, and you would, I hope, you would take a bath with water and soap. And you would have to eat, if you wanted to eat, bread, vegetables, fish and meat. So here the poet is saying that if you want your body to be clean, then of course you are going to take bath with soap and water. You cannot use anything else. If you are a rich man, you cannot use milk to take bath. You cannot use petrol to take bath. You will use soap and water only. And if you are feeling hungry and you want to fill your tummy with food, then you will use the things which are like the food items, your bread, vegetables, fish or meat, right? So let's continue. While your drink for breakfast would preferably milk or chocolate, coffee or tea, you would have to wear, you could hardly refuse, underclothes, outer clothes, stockings and shoes. Similarly, if you want to have good covering over yourself, you have to cover your body. For that, you have to wear clothes, you have to wear shoes, you have to wear stockings. You cannot wear anything else to cover your body. So whether a person is rich, poor or any president or any person who is at a great designation will use these things only, because these are the everyday things. We cannot escape from these. Let's continue. If you wished to make a reminding note, you would take a pencil out of your coat. And you could not sign a letter, I think, with anything better than pen and ink. Now, what does he saying? That if you want to jot down something so that you can use it later on or you can have it later on as a reminding note, you of course need a pencil to jot it down. And if you have to sign any letter, any document which you are signing, of course, you will be using pen only or an ink. Like in the previous years, when there were no gel pens and ball pens, ink pens were used, where children used to fill ink in the pen to write. So nothing can be used other than pen or pencil to do all these things, because these all are the everyday things which are used by everyone, no matter whether they are financially good or whether they are not. Let's continue. If you wanted to read, you would be sure to look at newspaper, magazine or book. And if it happened that you were ill, you would down some oil or choke on a pill. So now he's saying that when you wanted to write something, of course, everybody is going to use pen or pencil only. But if you want to read something, then of course, either you are going to pick a newspaper, a magazine or a book. Like nowadays we are digital, we have switched to ebooks like Kindle and others. But still you need a book. Online stories are also in the form of a book. Ebooks are there, e-newspapers are there. So you need, whenever you need to read something, when you are wishing to read something, you switch to these things only. Because these are the common things, these are the everyday things which are used by everyone in this world. Similarly, If anybody is not feeling well, is unwell, so what is that person going to do? Of course, he's going to take the medicine. Or if you have a sprain or any swelling is there on your leg or your arm, you apply or massage that area with the oil, right? So it is same for everyone. If any rich man or a king, I must say, if a king is also having pain in the legs or is unwell, is going to take the medicine, because it is the everyday thing, or you can say the common thing which is used by everyone. Let's continue. If you had a cold, I can only suppose you would use a handkerchief for your nose. When you wanted to rest your weary head, like other folks, you would hop into bed. Similarly, if anybody is having cold, what does that person use? Either tissue paper or the handkerchief, right? So everybody uses the same thing. And similarly, when you are feeling tired, when you're feeling weary means tired, when you are exhausted, then what you do? You just prefer going into your bed and sleeping there. You cannot think of anything else that I'll go for cycling if I'm not feeling well, or if I'm feeling very tired, I'll go for some exercise. No, everybody goes to bed and takes rest. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. I hope you all must have understood the poem very nicely,